नमस्ते my dear kids. How are you all? नमस्ते मेरे नन्हे बच्चों. Okay, we missed so many classes, right? Okay, next week we are going to write the exam. So in this session I am going to revise the notes of that last lesson and third lesson, and also I am going to give 2 page from the activity book. Let's we finish that one, otherwise it will be a burden for us, so we will finish it first itself. Not there in the exam, then even you have to finish that. Then after that I will explain about the question pattern also. Okay, so you should watch the video till the end. Okay ma. So this time we are following the new pattern for exam question paper, so you should listen that. Okay, first we will go to the notes. All have finished the notes, right? I have sent the notes in the last week. Most of them has finished, and send the snapshot also. Very good, my dear kids. So others also please try to send that. And if you not, please finish the notes fastly. 4 lessons we finished. Please finish all the notes. Okay ma. The part 3, मधुमक्खियाँ गई हड़ताल पर. मधुमक्खियाँ गई हड़ताल पर. अर्थ भालू बियर. समाचार न्यूज़. Read with me my dear kids. भालू बियर. समाचार न्यूज़. खरगोश रैबिट. दर्शकों व्यूवर्स. Once more. भालू बियर. समाचार न्यूज़. खरगोश रैबिट. दर्शकों व्यूवर्स. मधुमक्खियाँ हनी बीस. हड़ताल स्ट्राइक. अंतराल ब्रेक. साक्षात्कार इंटरव्यू. मधुमक्खियाँ हनी बीस. हड़ताल स्ट्राइक. अंतराल ब्रेक. साक्षात्कार इंटरव्यू. Once more. भालू बियर. समाचार न्यूज़. खरगोश रैबिट. दर्शकों व्यूवर्स. मधुमक्खियाँ हनी बीस. हड़ताल स्ट्राइक. अंतराल ब्रेक. साक्षात्कार इंटरव्यू. The 9th one. वैज्ञानिकों साइंटिस्ट. शहद हनी. वैज्ञानिकों साइंटिस्ट. शहद हनी. Now itself you learn my dear kids. भालू bear. BEAR bear. भालू bear. समाचार news. NEWS news. समाचार news. खरगोश rabbit. RABBIT rabbit. खरगोश rabbit. दर्शकों viewers. VIEWERS viewers. viewers ERS. मधुमक्खियाँ honey bees. honey HONEY honey. bees bees. हड़ताल strike. STRIKE strike. अंतराल break. BREAK break. साक्षात्कार interview. INTER interview. VIEW interview. वैज्ञानिकों scientist. SCIENT scientists. scientists. वैज्ञानिकों scientists. Then shahad honey HONEY honey. Okay ma. Learned na? Very good. Then next. प्रश्न और उत्तर. Question and answer. कौन हड़ताल पर गया था? Who went for strike? Who went? Yeah, Madhumakkiyam, right? In the place of corn, you should write only Madhumakkiyam. Then everything is there in the question. So in the place of corn, you should write Madhumakkiyam. Then rest everything, what is that? हड़ताल पर गया था. कौन हड़ताल पर गया था? मधुमक्खियाँ हड़ताल पर गया था. ओके, कौन हड़ताल पर गया था? मधुमक्खियाँ हड़ताल पर गया था. मधुमक्खियाँ write 5 times and learn, then it will be easy for you. Okay ma. ओके देन सेकंड वन, मनुष्यों को टंग कौन मार सकता है? मनुष्यों को टंग कौन मार सकता है? हु विल स्टिंग द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स? हु विल स्टिंग? Who will sting us? Who will sting? In the place of corn you should write that also easy only. Mada madhumaki. Mada madhumaki. Female honeybee only is sting the human beings. मनुष्यों को टंग मादा मधुमक्खी मार सकता है. मनुष्यों को टंग कौन मार सकता है? मनुष्यों को टंग मादा मधुमक्खी मार सकता है. ओके मैं नाउ लर्न वंस मोर. कौन हड़ताल पर गया था? मधुमक्खियाँ हड़ताल पर गया था. से विथ मी माय डियर किड्स. कौन हड़ताल पर गया था? मधुमक्खियाँ हड़ताल पर गया था. मनुष्यों को टंग कौन मार सकता है? मनुष्यों को टंग मादा मधुमक्खी मार सकता है. Learned na? Very good my dear kids. Now you take your Hindi Pustak B book. Okay, now you take Pustak B, that activity book you take my dear kids, and take page number 13. Pustak B page number 13 you take there. The one para it is given now. From that they have asked some questions here. That questions we will finish today. Okay, no time to explain that and all. It is the interview with the interview of that Rani Madhumakki, and also the who is giving who is taking interview, reporter who is that Khargosh. So what and all question he has asked and why he is what she is telling, that only it is there. So दिए गए सही कदम के सामने टिक और गलत के सामने क्रॉस का निशान लगाए. What it is given, which is correct it is you should put tick, and which is wrong you should put क्रॉस. मकड़ियाँ भोजन के प्रबंध के लिए जाला नहीं बुनती है. मकड़ियाँ भोजन के प्रबंध के लिए मकड़ियाँ भोजन के प्रबंध के लिए जाला नहीं बुनती है. मकड़ियाँ मीन्स दैट मकड़ी हियर इट इज या मधुमक्खियों के बारे में बाद खरगोश रिपोर्टर ने मीनू मकड़ी का साक्षात्कार. दिस इज द इंटरव्यू विथ द spider and that khargosh. Okay, not madhumaki. After taking madhumaki's interview, this reporter went to makadi means spider, and that spider is giving interview. That is only here it is asking that for मधुमक्खियाँ मकड़ियाँ भोजन के प्रबंध के लिए जाला नहीं बुनती है. मकड़ी that spider is making web na, that is not for food. That is not for food, but it is true. Why they want to leave, and also what is why they are keeping that web means that small insects will suddenly they will dash on that, will trap on that web. So that only that makadi is, that spider is keeping that web, so they will get food from that. Okay, so for food only they are keeping that spider web. So it is wrong. It is asking that whether they are not whether they are making the web not for food, but it is for food only they are making. So it is wrong. Not making na, so it is wrong. सभी मकड़ियाँ गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदल लेती हैं. गिरगिट like a chameleon, so many all the मकड़ियाँ will change their color. सभी मकड़ियाँ गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदल लेती हैं. It will change the color. Spiders, whether it will change the color? No, so wrong. मादा मकड़ियाँ नर मकड़ियों से बहुत बड़ी होती हैं. Female spider only is very bigger than the male spider. It is true. Female spider only it's big. भारतीय मकड़ियाँ जहरीली नहीं होती है. इंडियन स्पाइडर्स एंड ऑल इज नॉट पॉइसनस. जहरीली मीन्स पॉइसनस. इंडियन मकड़ियाँ, इंडियन स्पाइडर्स एंड ऑल इज नॉट पॉइसनस. इट्स ट्रू. आवश्यकता पड़ने पर मकड़ी अपना बुना जाला खा लेती है. when the when the spider, if he needs, means what he is doing means he will eat that web. It is true or yes, it's true only. Mafshida padne makadi apna buna jala kha leti hai. When it need means it will दूसरी जाला बनाना हो तो हम ऐसे करते हैं. फौजन में मिलता, इफ़ दे कान गेट द फूड दे विल ईट दैट वेब. सो दैट ओनली इट इज़ ट्रू. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 14. टेक पेज नंबर 14. दिए गए कहानी के अंश में सर्वनाम शब्दों को चांट कर लिखें. सर्वनाम शब्द वी लर्न, राइट. सर्वनाम शब्द, व्हाट आर द सर्वनाम शब्द? यह वह. इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग, दैट इज ओनली pronoun, right. Instead of noun what we are using? Yah, vah, ye, ve, that only. So from this para, what are the sarvanam shabd you have to write here. The repeated words I didn't write here. So ye, it is there. Ye, aap, hum, unse, unki, ve, mein, hame, hamare, aapke. These are the sarvanam shabda in from this para. Okay, you pause this video and zoom it and see my deck. It's okay ma? If okay, I'll zoom and show you if you want. See here, ye, aap, hum, unse, unki, ve, mein, hame, hamare, aapke. But sometimes this is repeated in this para, that I didn't write. So you also have to write this much only. Okay ma? Okay. Then we will go for the question pattern. Okay ma? Today this time we are going to follow a new exam question pattern. From that first pattern, it is exam is there for how many marks? 50 marks, right? So first Roman letter, what it is means reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is very important. So we are going to give this time reading comprehension. First I will give one para from the textbook. You can see that like this para it will be there. Here it is there na, सूरज बाहर निकला लेकिन आसमान खाली पड़ा था, कहीं एक भी तारा नहीं. सूरज ने पूरी दुनिया का चक्कर काट लिया लेकिन छोटा सा भी तारा नहीं मिला. So like this one small para will be there. From that I will ask some questions like if I will ask earth, सूरज, then asman, tara, like that. Okay, what meanings we learned, that only I will give. No, not any extra meanings and all. Okay, whatever meanings I have given, that much only I will ask. Okay, then any other meaning is there, then only not only earth, then I will ask some fill in the blanks, right. Dash bahar nikala, like dash bahar nikala, what will come? You have to read the passage. You have to read the passage and find out the answer. Where is that word? Suraj. See the first word, Suraj bahar nikala. So that Suraj you should write. So for making you to read the Hindi letters, for that only we are we are starting this one, my dear kids. Please follow this one properly. Then if any another means छोटा सा भी तारा नहीं मिला लेकिन छोटा सा भी डैश नहीं मिला. What नहीं मिला? तारा. That also you have to read and find out the answer and you have to write the answer. Then if any question answer also, if it is coming also, I will ask from that. Okay, if any, but this lesson I didn't give any question answer. I won't ask the same question. Okay, I'll ask any other lessons questions and also. This is the one pattern only. I am showing you because you are small kids. Still you don't have that reading comprehension in Hindi. Okay, so I have to follow this one because you should improve yourself in reading. So this is the first Roman letter for 10 marks. Okay, then learn the letters, full letters you learn ma. Sometimes I'll tell you to write fully from A to Aha and Ka to Shra, or sometimes I'll keep like missing letters. Like A, then A won't be there, E won't be there, like that. Missing letters I'll ask. So don't learn like mug up and all. So which letter after which letter will come, like that. Learn thoroughly that letters. Okay, learn thoroughly that letters. That is the second Roman letter for 10 marks. Then learn grammar. Grammar what we learned, Saknya we learned, Sarvanam we learned, Ekavachan, Bahuvachan, Strilinga, Pullinga. The same, okay, what I asked, Saknya, Sarvanam and all, definition no need, okay, definition I am not going to ask, you are small kids, this time I am not going to ask definition, I will ask one sentence I will give and I will ask which is the Saknya here, which is the Sarvanam here, like that. Ekvachan, Bahuvachan, what I have given for you, that I will ask, right? Okay, so don't want to fear and all. So Saknya and Sarvanam, you have to know which is the noun word, which is the Sarvanam word. That you should know. Saknya means the name of a place, thing, or a name of a place, thing, or a person. That is Saknya. Sarvanam what? Instead of noun, what we are using, that is only Sarvanam. So that both you have to learn. Then Ekavachan singular, Bahuvachan plural. Then Strilinga, Pullinga, feminine gender, masculine gender. That also will come for 10 marks. Then learn question answer and all. Okay, learn question answers. What only 2 lessons I gave, lesson 3 and lesson 4 only question answer is there. That full questions will come. You learn that only, that fully. Okay ma, only 5 questions are there I think. 3 plus 2, 4, 5 only having. So that question answer also you learn. Okay, write and learn 5 times. Okay ma, write and learn. Only it's little answers only it is having. Rest everything is there in the question. So you can learn very easily. That is for 10 marks. Then last one, not that is for not 10 marks. It is question answer is for maybe 15 marks I think. Okay, then last one only 5 marks. That is drawing. Drawing I'll ask like related to any one lesson. You have to draw the situation of any one lessons. That I will ask, that I will mention and I will tell you. Okay ma. So this is the pattern of your question paper. It will be easy only. Don't want to fear. Okay. So I need to introduce the new pattern, so that only I include in this one. So that's all my dear kids. Please learn well and all the best for the exam. Do well. All the paper I should get. Okay ma. All the students paper I should get. This is the SEM exam, term 1 exam. So all should attend the exam and submit the paper when they gave the time. That is the 22nd and 23rd. After that school won't be there for some days. Teachers also won't be there in the school. So you should submit it before 23rd. Okay, 22nd and 23rd you should submit it there. Otherwise you can't submit. Not like last time and all. You can't submit as when you wish, because this is the Christmas holidays it is coming. That is for teachers also. So no one will be there in the school. So you can't submit. So please submit the papers on time. Okay ma. My dear kids, you are very good. I know that. Watch the videos properly and do the exam well. All the very best for my sweet kids. धन्यवाद मेरे नन्हे बच्चों.